Veteran journalist Dionne Jackson Miller has raised a powerful question, and it's one that Jamaica cannot ignore any longer. Should Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton resign? Tonight, we take a deeper look at his record, from Cornwall Regional to Market Me, and ask, has the time come for him to step aside? Like, share, and subscribe. This is Michy Dex Commentary. Dionne Jackson Miller's analysis wasn't just talk. She leaned heavily on the side of accountability. And when we look at the facts, it's hard to disagree. Let's start with Cornwall Regional Hospital. For nearly a decade, the people of Western Jamaica have waited for that hospital to reopen fully. Since 2016, billions of taxpayers' dollars have been poured into what was supposed to be a major rehabilitation project. Yet up to now, Cornwall Regional is still not fully operational. Patients and staff have been relocated for years, working under unsafe and stressful conditions. Promises keep shifting from 2019 to 2021 to 2023, but the suffering continues. Then there's the dead baby scandal. Back in 2015 and again in 2022, multiple newborns died from bacterial outbreaks in our hospitals. Investigations pointed to poor sanitation, overcrowding, and weak oversight. Families cried for justice, but accountability never came. Under Tufton's watch, the same problems kept repeating, and the silence from the ministry was deafening. And we can't ignore the Market Me controversy. A private company connected to persons close to the minister allegedly received millions in government contracts to manage Jamaica Moves and other campaigns. The Integrity Commission had to step in, and questions of conflict of interest and favoritism refused to go away. Even though Tufton denied wrongdoing, the damage was done. The public's trust was shaken. Across the country, hospitals are still run down and overcrowded. Nurses are overworked, patients lie on benches and stretchers, and supplies are often short. Yet the ministry keeps focusing on image campaigns while the real system crumbles beneath the pressure. And to make it worse, Tufton's personal conduct has also been under fire. There have been allegations of inappropriate relationships and favoritism, further clouding his credibility as a leader. Whether proven or not, perception matters, and in public office, image is everything. Now let's go back to Dionne Jackson Miller's key point. This isn't about politics, it's about principle. Leadership isn't just about achievements, it's about integrity. When the people no longer trust your decisions, when your ministry becomes a magnet for scandal, the honorable thing to do is step aside. In other countries, resignation would have been immediate. But here in Jamaica, too many leaders hold on to power, even when their presence damages the very institutions they're meant to protect. So yes, Dionne Jackson Miller leaned the argument, and rightly so. If we measure leadership by transparency, consistency, and trust, then Dr. Christopher Tufton has fallen short. Cornwall Regional, the babies who never made it home, the rundown hospitals, and the Market Me scandal, all of it adds up to one simple truth. The health system is crying out for accountability. Dr. Tufton, it's not about shame, it's about responsibility. Jamaica deserves a health minister whose credibility is unquestionable, whose leadership restores confidence, not drains it. This has been another Michy Dex Commentary, where truth meets courage and the people's voice comes first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Should Dr. Christopher Tufton resign? Let's talk about it. Michy Dex Commentary, real talk, real people, real Jamaica.